So we're gonna do a quick color triangle here, and I measured that this is the middle part here, and we're gonna go 20 centimeters on each side here. So it's like this, and 20 centimeters to the top here, like this, and 20 centimeters here. Great, and now we have the triangle. And to find the middle part, measure 10 centimeters here, here, and 10 centimeters here. Great, and now we're gonna write, well, you can actually measure the center here, approximately here, right? And now we're gonna, let's see now, we're gonna measure this. So this is about 5 centimeters. So let's see, this will be white, and then we have a bright color, and then a deep color, and then we will have dark. So this will be dark, deep, and bright. Maybe we should adjust it a little bit, but I think this will be okay. Okay, so it will be, let's see, 1 centimeter. Aha, we'll do it like this: 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. That's better. So, and we draw lines here. To make sure we have it correct. And this one. Great, and the same here. Like 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Great. And we draw a line here. And do it like this. So. So. This one. Great, and same here. 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Draw a line here. Here. And the last one. Great, so this will be the 3 different colors now. In the middle white, and in the next we'll mix white and a primer color, and then only primer color, and then primer color and black. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna actually moist it a little bit first, so it's a little bit wet. You can skip this for now. So it's easier to mix all the colors later. Perfect. So, and we will wait a little bit for it to dry